If you want to change lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, you want to scroll down a little bit, and then we want to go to wallpaper and style. In here, we're going to tap on the lock screen in order to start customizing it, and then we can tap on the clock. Once you tap on the clock, you will see this outline with the corners, so you can grab by these corners in order to adjust the size of the clock. You can also drag the clock around in order to change the position. And then once we tap again, we should be able to see this section where we can customize the clock. Like, for example, we can choose a different font, we can adjust the thickness of that font, we can go to style in order to use a different clock face. In some cases, these clock faces are not available for some fonts, so if you don't see these options, you might want to change the font to something different. And besides that, we can add the weather information, we can also move the date to be above the clock, and so on and so forth. And of course, we can change the color as well. I think I didn't mention about the color, so we should be able to change the color of the clock too. Once you are done with the customization, we should be able to tap on Done in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.